Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the jewelry designer here at the Satin Crystals boutique. And today I'm going to show you how to wear gemstone cufflinks. So the first thing you're going to need is a proper shirt with a French cuff. So the French cuff has holes on both sides of the cuffs. They look like buttonholes, but there's no buttons, so you can place your cufflink right into the cuff to secure. And so once you do have your shirt, I'm going to show you our blue kyanite bullet back cufflink. So the bullet back has a little tab on the bottom. You just have to flip it vertically, and so you can insert it into the holes. So you can line up all of the cufflink holes together and insert the cufflink all at once, or if you're new at this, or you need a little bit of help, just pull the cufflink through one layer at a time. My cuff here has 4 holes. It's a double cuff. You can also buy single cuff shirts for cufflinks. Once you get to the end, as you see here, the tab just needs to be flipped horizontally and it'll be nice and secure. And there you have it. You'll be nicely accessorized with your formal gemstone cufflinks. Thank you for your positive energy here today, and please do subscribe for further how-to videos.